Hello everyone. Now you can see Giuseppe Zanotti high top sneakers here. You can see shoes come with a pair of shoes come with a shopping bag, one dust bag. You can see. Let's check the dust bag. Yes, one nice. Also the box. Then let's check the shoes label. Also, we can see the back in the box. Also the paper with the logo. Then the most important is the shoes quality. Now I will show you slowly. Shoes make a Calfskin and nice shoes. Shiny. Also the tag. The zipper. The gum color shoes look metals. The insole is the silvery logo. Another one. The sole. Shoes are heavy. Yes, very heavy. Let's open the metal, the lacy. Yes. So, my friend, if you also interested in these shoes, you can contact me. Yeah. See you. It's all. Bye bye.